Hello guys, I'm Joshua Mela and welcome to my channel, World of Trigonometry. Sorry for the kids playing and birds chirping outside. So for today, let me show you how to convert decimals to degree, minutes, seconds, and vice versa. Converting decimals to degree, minutes, seconds, and vice versa is not that hard. And I'm pretty sure that after this tutorial video, you'll be understanding it well. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Thank you. Okay, so first let's have decimal to degree, minutes, and seconds. Sorry for this because I forgot that it should be decimal instead of degree. Okay, so first let's have our first example. 70 and 125 thousandths to degree, minutes, and seconds. So our first step is to copy the decimal part, which is 125 thousandths. So I copied it already. Then we should multiply it to 60 to attain or get minutes. So 125 thousandths multiplied to 60 will be 7 and 5 tenths. So we only need to copy the whole number. So we will copy this whole number and this will be our degree, 70 degrees, and we copy this whole number to be our minutes, 70 degrees and 7 minutes. So to attain the seconds, our second step is to copy the decimal part here, 5 tenths. So 5 tenths, and we need to multiply it to 60. 5 tenths multiplied to 60 is equals to 30. So 30 will be our seconds. So the answer will be 7 degrees, 7 minutes, and 30 seconds. So we therefore conclude that 70 and 125 thousandths is equal to 70 degrees, 7 minutes, and 30 seconds. So now let's have our second example. I will teach you how to do it. So let's have our given. Our given is 20 and 26 hundredths. We need to convert it to degree, minutes, and seconds. So our step 1. We need to copy this decimal part. So our decimal part is 26 hundredths. Let's copy 26 hundredths. 26 hundredths. So we need to multiply it to 60. So calculator will do the math. 0.26 or 26 hundredths multiplied to 60 is equal to 15 and 6 tenths. 15 and 6 tenths. 15 and 6 tenths. There. So, for us to get the minutes, we will only copy the whole number. So the result will be, let's copy the whole number in this part, and this will be our degree. 20 degrees, 20 degrees, this one 15 minutes. 15 minutes. So let's have our second step. Step 2. We copy this part, the decimal part here. So it's 61 hundredths. You need to multiply it again to 60 to attain seconds. 61 hundredths multiplied to 60 will be, calculator again will do the math. 61 hundredths multiplied to 60 will be 36 and 6 tenths. There. So let's now convert it. The result will be 20 degrees, 20 degrees, 15 minutes. So you only need to get this whole number. So let's do the round off because you only need the whole number and there is a decimal left. So it will be 37. Because in rounding off, 5 and above, we need to add 1 to where? To the next value. So we add 1. It will be 37. So the final answer will be 20 degrees, 15 minutes, and 37 seconds. Therefore, 20 and 26 hundredths is equal to 20 degrees, 15 minutes, and 37 seconds. There. So let's have another example. Our given is 135 and 256 thousandths, 2 degrees, minutes, and seconds. So step 1, we copy this. 256 thousandths, so we need to multiply it to, you're correct, 60. So let calculator do the math. 256 multiplied to 60 is 15 and 36 hundredths. So now the result will be, we need only copy the whole number here, 135 degrees. 135 degrees and 15 minutes. 15 minutes. So we need to copy 36 hundredths to attain seconds. So 36 hundredths multiplied to 60 will be 36 hundredths multiplied to 60 will be 21 and 6 tenths. So again, we will round it off. So 21 will be 22 because this one is 5 and above. So we have 22 there. So our final answer will be 135 degrees, 15 minutes, and 22 seconds. So we therefore conclude that 135 and 256 thousandths is equal to 135 degrees 15 minutes and 22 seconds. So guys, there are cases that we can only attain degrees and minutes. So let me give you that example. And guys, I am not prohibiting you to use mental math, use manual calculations, but I prefer solving this part with calculator because I am tutoring you guys. So it's up to you in what way will you solve this one. Okay? So I will give you an example where only degrees and minutes are given or will be the answer. So our given is 25 and 5 tenths. Convert it to degrees, minutes, and seconds. So copy this decimal part, 5 tenths. You need to multiply it to 60. 5 tenths multiplied to 60 will be 30. So it's a whole number, so we don't have decimal part that we can use to attain seconds. So we just copy this one, 25 degrees and 30 minutes. So we therefore conclude that 25 and 5 tenths is equal to 25 degrees and 30 minutes. Now that we're done with decimal to degree minute seconds, let's have degree minute seconds to decimal. So in this case, we will be having our general formula, x plus y over 60 plus z over 300. This one. So let's have our first example. Our given is 70 degrees, 7 minutes and 30 seconds. So let's use the formula. X will be 70, y will be 7, and 30 will be z. Substitute. X 70, y will be 7, 7 over 60. Z will be 30, 30 over 2600. So we need to add these two fractions. So the answer will be 1 over 8. So copy 70 degrees. Just bring it down. Then convert 1/8 to decimal. So the answer will be 125 thousandths. Bring down 70 degrees. Add these two numbers. The answer will be 70 and 125 thousandths. So we therefore conclude that 70 degrees, 7 minutes, and 30 seconds is equal to 70 and 125 thousandths. Same on what's our given in the last topic. So let's have second example. The given is 20 degrees, 15 minutes, and 37 seconds. So 20 will be x, 15 will be y, 37 will be z. So substitute. 20 plus 15 over 60 plus 37 over 3600. So we need to add these two fractions. 15 over 60, 15 over 60. Let's do the math by using calculator. Plus 37 over 3600 will be 937 over 2600. 937. So copy this one, 20 degrees. 20 degrees plus 937 over 2600. Convert this to decimal. So it will be 0.26027777778. So you only need tenths. So it will be 0.26. Then add those two. 20 degrees plus 26 hundredths. So our answer will be 20 and 26 hundredths. So we therefore conclude that 20 degrees 15 minutes and 37 seconds is equal to 20 and 26 tenths. So let's have our next given. 135 degrees 15 minutes and 22 seconds. Step 1. Substitute by using the general formula. 135 plus 15 over 60. 60 is constant, plus 22 over 3,600. 3,600 is constant. So add the two fractions. So do the math. 15 over 60 plus 22 over 3,600 is equal to 461 over 1,800. Copy 135 degrees. Then convert this fraction into decimal. So this will become 0.256111111. So we only need tenths. So the answer will be 0.26. 0.26. They are 0.26, or if you want we can use 0.256 because that's our given on the last topic. 0.256, we just rounded off. 0.256 because our given is 0. No, sorry, the result is 0.256 256 111 111 1111. So we can use 0.25 or 0.26, or we can also use 0.256 depending on what is needed, whether it's tenths, give only tenths, or hundredths. So let's use either of the two. So I'll be choosing 0.256. So add 135 and 256 thousandths. So the other answer is 135 and 26 hundredths. So it's just the same. We only round it off. So we therefore conclude that 135 degrees 15 minutes and 22 seconds is equivalent to 135 and 256 thousandths, or 135 and 26 hundredths. So let's have our next given. 25 degrees and 30 minutes. 25 degrees and 30 minutes. Substitute. In this case, we only have x over y. So we only need to use this x plus y over 60 because we don't have the z part. So 25 plus 30 over 60. So convert 30 over 62. 30 over 62 decimal. So it will be 0.5. Because if we simplify this, it will be 1 half. 1 divided by 2 is 0.5. Add 25 and 5 tenths. The answer will be 25 and 5 tenths. So we therefore conclude that 25 degrees and 30 minutes is equivalent to 25 and 5 tenths. So let us check. Okay, so on our last topic, the given is 70 and 125 thousandths. So our answer in our first example is 70 and 125 thousandths. So on our second given in the last topic, 20 and 26 hundredths. So our answer here is 20 and 26 hundredths. Same, right? So in number 3, our answer is 135 and 256 thousandths, or 135 and 26 hundredths. So the given in the last topic is 135 and 256 thousandths. Same, right? He only used the given to let you know if I convert those two, the answer will be same. So in number 4 on the last topic is 25 and 5 tenths. So look at our answer. 25 and 25 tenths. So we therefore conclude that decimal to degree, minutes, seconds, and vice versa have the same answers. Okay guys, so now let's have a sit work. You'll be needing to convert the following givens to decimal or degree, minutes, and second. Number 1, you need to convert 7 degrees, 37 minutes to decimal. In number 2, you need to convert 35 and 25 hundredths to degree, minutes, second. In number 3, you'll be converting 162 hundredths to degree, minutes, second. In number 4, 135 degrees, 30 minutes, 22 seconds, converted to decimal. In number 5, 20 degrees, 18 minutes, 3 seconds, converted to decimal. In number 6 to 7, convert 30 and 125 thousandths to degree, minute, and second, but prove your answer by converting your answer, which is degree, minute, second, to decimal. So I'll be giving you 7 minutes to answer this, and I'll be showing you the solution and to how I got the answer. Timer starts now. You can do it. Convert the following givens. I repeat, convert 7 degrees, 37 minutes to decimal. Convert 35 and 27 hundredths to degree, minute, second. Convert 162 hundredths to degree, minute, second. Convert 135 degrees, 30 minutes, 22 seconds to decimal. Convert 20 degrees, 18 minutes, 3 seconds to decimal. And lastly, convert 30 in 125 degrees, 30 in 125 thousandths to degree, minute, second, and prove your answer by converting it in decimal form again. Last 5 and 30 seconds. You have more time, guys. Four and 54 seconds. By this time, you should be in given number 3 to 4. You can do it. Last 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Last 3 minutes and 30 seconds. By this time, you should be given number 4 to 5. Last 3 minutes. Last 2 minutes and 30 seconds. I'm sure guys that these givens are too easy for you. By this time, you should be in given number 5 to 7. Last 1 minute. Sorry, last 1 and 30 seconds. By this time, you should be given numbers 6 to 7, or you may be checking your answers already. 1 minute and 10 seconds. You can do it. Last 1 minute. Last 30 seconds. Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. So now, I'll be showing you guys my solution. Number 1, our given is 7 degrees and 37 minutes converted to decimal. So our general formula is x plus y over 60 plus z over 3600. So our given here is only y. So we will be only using x plus y over 60. Substitute. 7 plus 37 over 60. Convert 37 over 60 to decimal, which is 0.62. Then add the whole number 7 and 0.62, which will result to 7.62. Did we have the same answer, guys? Well, if we have, then good. And number 2, our given is 35 and 27 hundredths converted to degree, minute, and second. So, you'll be using 0.27 hundredths to get minutes. 0.27 times 60 is equals to 16.2. We only need 16, therefore, it will result to 35 degrees and 16 minutes. Then, copy 0.2 tenths to get seconds. 0.2 times 60 is equals to 12. Therefore, we have the final answer, 35 degrees, 16 minutes, and 12 seconds. In number 3, our given is 162 hundredths converted to degree, minute, and second. So, use 0.62 to get minutes. 0.62 times 60 is equals to 37.2. We only need whole number, that's why it will be 100 degrees and 37 minutes. Copy 2 tenths to get seconds. 0.2 times 60 is equals to 12. Therefore, our final answer is 100 degrees, 37 minutes, and 12 seconds. In number 4, 135 degrees, 30 minutes, 22 seconds converted to decimal. Use the general formula, x plus y over 60 plus z over 3600. Substitute. 135 plus 30 over 60 plus 22 over 3600. Add these two fractions, which will result to 911 over 1800 converted to decimal. We can use 0.506 or round it off 0.51. Then add whole number and the decimal. 135.506. So in this given, I prefer using the hundredths. But it's okay if your answer is 135.51 hundredths. In number 5, 20 degrees, 18 minutes, 3 seconds converted to decimal. Use the general formula, then substitute 20 plus 18 over 60 plus 3 over 3600. Add the two fractions will result to 261 over 1200. Convert it to decimals, 0.301 or 0.13. I prefer using hundredths. That's why we add whole number then the decimal, 20.301 thousandths. Sorry, it's thousandths. Or it may be 20 and 30 hundredths. In number 6 to 7, our given is 30 and 125 thousandths converted to degree, minute, second. So use the decimal. 0.125 thousandths times 60 will result to 7.5. We only need whole number. It will result to 30 degrees and 7 minutes. Use the zero point 0.5 to get seconds. 0.5 times 60 is equals to 30. It will result to the final answer, which is 30 degrees, 7 minutes, and 30 seconds. You need to prove it by converting it or transforming it into decimal form again. Use the general formula. Substitute 30 plus 7 over 60 plus 30 over 2600. Add the two fractions. The sum will be 1 over 8. Convert it to decimals. 0.125 thousandths or 0.13. But in this case, you are proving. That's why your answer should be exact with the given, which is 30 and 125 thousandths. Therefore, copy the whole number, which is 30, then the decimal part. It will result to 30 and 125 thousandths. Same, right? Did we have the same answers, guys? If you have, then great. Thank you.